Henna mixing tutorial video. 100 gram body art quality henna powder. Now add 30 to 40 grams of sugar. Less humidity is equal to more sugar. Add 30 ml of essential oil. You can use lavender, eucalyptus, Cajeput, or Clove, or any other essential oil you like Teatree, etc. Use 1 full lemon juice. You can also increase or decrease the lemon quantity as you want. Lemon helps henna get better stain. Add water little by little. Please do not add too much of water at once. Your henna powder may get very loose or runny. We need a consistency of mashed potatoes before dye release. Mix it really well. We are not using any beater or anything else, so by mixing with hands it may take a little bit of more time, and that's okay. The lumps you're seeing will dissolve after the dye release, so don't worry about it. Now cover it for dye release. The hotter the climate, the lesser time it will take for dye release. In winters it may take up to 15 hours. In cold countries it may take even longer, like 20 hours, 22 hours. When the dye release is done, you can see the change in the top layer. The color will change to brownish red, as you can see. Now give it a really good mix. Add some water if you want. The lumps will get dissolved, you can see lesser lumps in this. The paste becomes really very luscious. This is the quality of a very fine body art quality henna powder. If the powder is not sifted well, you will find it grainy. Now we'll do a little stain test for 10-20 minutes. It must give a bright orange color in 10 to 15 minutes. We ship worldwide. You can order from these. You can order on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on email.